In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a page in Foxit PDF editor. This task might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it's quite straightforward. Whether you're updating a document with new data or correcting an error, replacing pages in a PDF is a valuable skill to have. To begin, ensure you have your PDF document open in Foxit PDF editor. This document should contain the page or pages you plan to replace. The Foxit PDF editor offers a robust set of tools, making it an excellent choice for handling PDF files efficiently. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. You'll want to navigate to Organize, which is where you'll find a variety of options for managing your document's pages. In this drop-down menu, look for Replace Pages and select it. Alternatively, you might find it more intuitive to use the Pages panel, which is typically located on the left-hand side. By right-clicking on the thumbnail of the page you wish to replace, you'll see an option for Replace Pages. Both methods will lead you to the same destination. Upon selecting Replace Pages, a dialog box labeled Replace Pages will appear. This dialog box is where the key steps take place. You'll notice it has sections titled Original and Replacement. Let's focus first on the Original section. Here, you need to specify which pages in your current document you wish to replace. You can do this by entering the page numbers directly into the provided field. Take your time to ensure you're choosing the correct pages, as replacing the wrong ones can lead to unwanted changes in your document. Next, turn your attention to the Replacement section. This is where you'll bring in the new content. Click on Browse to navigate through your files and select the incoming PDF document. This file should contain the pages that will serve as replacements. Once you've selected the correct PDF, specify which pages from this document you want to insert into your original file. After you've ensured all your selections are correct, click OK. The software will then replace the specified pages in your original document with those from the new file. It's a simple process, but double-checking your selections before finalizing the change can prevent errors. And that's it. Your document should now reflect the updated pages. With Foxit PDF Editor, replacing pages is a quick process once you know the steps. It's a handy skill to streamline your workflow and maintain the accuracy of your documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.